Alright, so family, we're gonna install water drip, quick connect, undersink water filtration system with accessory so that we can just use that water to drink instead of combining in this faucet. So they asked me to drill a hole here. Drill a hole back there so we can hang this thing out there, but end up using command strips, probably a lot easier and a lot cleaner. And you don't have to drill anything in case you want to take it out from the next owner. So yeah, so first we're gonna hook this up back there. Alright, so the next thing is undo the cold water line. These are the white ones, and connect this fitting right here like that. Alright, so this fitting is actually a half inch, it's not a 3/8, so you gotta remove the thing they came with, and of course you gotta put Teflon tab in there to prevent any leaks, and make sure you have the gasket in there as well. So connect the two lines there straight up to the filter. You pretty much just go right in. Make sure you go deep enough. There's a line in the thing right here. See that black line right there? Just push it all the way till you reach the black line. So next up, you're gonna drill probably about half an inch to the hole, so you can fit this inside here, just like that. So after you put the faucet down, pretty much follow the instruction here in that order. You're gonna cut the tubing to size. So pretty much this is the end products. All I got to do is just screw the filter in. I just want to make sure that the tape is dry up before I screw the filter in.